Test, test. What is up, gooners and goonettes? It's me. Oh, it's my first video, but I'm gonna be going over my 1 year progression video of this here third Gen Cummins. Got it bone stock, except it was tuned and deleted with an H&S Mini Max, and you can kind of see I've done some stuff to it. Probably not the best time to be making this, cause doing Dodge things, transmission's broken, valve body's bad. So I mean, whatever. I'll show you. I think I only got a photo and a bad quality video of when I got it tinted. But yeah, I did. There's a new box on there that's repainted. The old one was pretty bad. It rusted under. It had fender flares and whatever. Frame was sanded down, repainted with Port 15. There's a lot of stuff done to it. I'll put up some clips and some old videos of working on it, and then I'll show you everything that I've done to it. Stay tuned.
She living the life just like a movie star.
Yeah, so I'm here to show you my 08 Cummins. Got the, it's hard to really see, but it is dirty in there, but got the Longhorn Lammy 4th Gen seats. Let me pop the hood. Full manual valve body. I'll do this, maybe it'll be. Yeah, so I got a full manual valve body. Doesn't run right now. I have got a bad actual valve body, so gotta get that send that in as core, get a new constant pressure one. Full powdered Dirty Magic axles and suspension. Got some white accents. Both front and back axle are powdered. Them are really dirty, but I haven't polished. Suspensions, Dirty Magic, Fast 165, and I'll do that later. So, tails, paint meshed by 742 Industries down in Madison, Wisconsin. Like I said, all suspension is powdered Dirty Magic with some white elements. These things are cherry. He did a really good job, and he's a really good guy. He's got a really nice truck too. Yeah, nothing too special. I don't got any lights in here. Don't mind this wiring mess. So I 2G swapped it. It's a AGP 467.7. 5-inch exhaust all the way through. Deleted, obviously. I've got some tunes, 200 horse tunes. What else do I say? 24x14 on 35s. Forces. What else can I even say? It's not really much. Oh yeah, I got some. Another reason why I can't run right now. In the process of fabbing up some swanky. Oh my god, it's so dirty back here. Got some swanky manufacturing or fabrication track bars gonna be putting on there, and I got probably 24-piece rock light kit. But yeah, that's my truck. I don't know if you guys got any questions, anything, let me know.